Winter's finally over, and before I put this away, I'm going to show you my routine to keep it running well. This is a 2009 Craftsman Snowblower. It's a 13.5 horsepower motor with a 27-inch swath. And in this video, I'll show you what I've been doing to keep it running great. When it comes to storing these, especially with fuel in, there's two approaches. One is to add fuel stabilizer and leave the fuel in there, and the other is to remove the fuel. The method I prefer is to remove the fuel, so you don't have to worry about any fuel sitting in the system causing problems down the road. So step one, pump the fuel out. First thing I do is get all the gas out of the tank. I just use a simple hand pump and transfer it into a container. Nothing fancy here. I just try to get out as much as possible. Step two, run it dry. Once the tank is basically empty, I start it up and let it run until it shuts off. That clears out whatever's left in the carburetor and fuel lines. You'll hear it start to struggle and then die. That's exactly what you want. Step three, oil change. I also like to change the oil at the end of the season. That way it's sitting all summer with fresh oil instead of dirty oil kicking in. Just basic drain, refill, nothing complicated. Before I put it away, I clean everything up. I knock any snow, dirt, or salt buildup, anything that's been sitting on it for a while, especially around the auger and chute. Then I give it a once over, make sure nothing's loose. Everything looks still good after the season. I don't usually do a test run right before storing it. I usually do that in fall instead, when I take it back out. That way if there's an issue, I've got time to fix it before first snowfall. So I don't leave gas sitting in it, and I don't add fuel stabilizer. I just remove the gas so I don't have to worry about it causing problems. And other than that, it takes about 20 to 30 minutes, and it's not complicated, and it avoids complicated mistakes. That's pretty much it. Nothing fancy, but it's been keeping this thing going for many years. If you do it differently, I'd be curious to hear what your routine is. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. There's more videos like this coming to you soon.